The consumer drone industry is always changing. Technology keeps improving, and what customers want is constantly shifting. This creates a sense of excitement as people anticipate the next big launch. Lately, there's been a lot of buzz around a potential new drone from DJI, possibly called the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The idea of a more advanced mini drone sounds thrilling, but many industry experts are skeptical. They think a release of such a model might not happen as soon as some expect. In this discussion, we'll delve into why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might remain just a concept for now. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has already set a high benchmark in the drone market. It is widely loved by both beginner and experienced users for its impressive features. It captures 4K video at 60 frames per second and stunning 48 megapixel photos. The rotating camera allows for creative shots, while advanced features like focus track and master shots make flying and filming an enhanced experience. One of its key advantages is its lightweight design. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids the need for extra permits in many regions, making it incredibly user-friendly. Additionally, its compact size makes it easy to carry around. This mix of excellent performance, innovative features, and portability has made the Mini 3 Pro a top choice for drone enthusiasts. Given how successful this model already is, it raises the question, does DJI really need to release another mini drone so soon? Experts doubt the likelihood of the DJI Mini 5 Pro for several reasons, one of which is the potential risk of undermining the Mini 3 Pro's ongoing success. The Mini 3 Pro is still relatively new and continues to sell well. Launching a more advanced version too quickly could hurt its sales and disrupt its popularity. DJI has a history of releasing new products strategically. Instead of rushing to introduce major upgrades, the company tends to make smaller, calculated improvements over time. This ensures a steady stream of products while maintaining the success of its current lineup. If DJI were to release a Mini 5 Pro now, it might upset this balance and divide its customer base. The drone market itself has also changed significantly. Once a rapidly expanding industry, it is now much more competitive and saturated. Many manufacturers are competing for attention, making it harder for any one company to stand out. As the market matures, the potential for groundbreaking innovations has decreased. Many new drones only offer minor upgrades, which don't always seem worth the higher price for consumers. This trend makes releasing frequent new models a risky move. For a company like DJI, it's important to focus on meaningful advancements rather than small updates to maintain leadership in the crowded market. Although the DJI Mini 5 Pro is speculative, imagining its features is exciting. One possible improvement could be a more advanced camera system. A higher resolution sensor with improved low-light capabilities could elevate aerial photography even further. Another area ripe for enhancement could be battery life, offering longer flight times for users to capture more content. Upgraded obstacle avoidance technology could make flights safer and more automated, especially in tricky environments. Additionally, new intelligent flight modes might allow for unique cinematic effects or smarter tracking features, giving users even more creative and professional options. However, these ideas also show how much effort and innovation would be needed to make a new model worthwhile. While the thought of a DJI Mini 5 Pro is certainly appealing, several factors suggest it may not become a reality just yet. The strong performance of the Mini 3 Pro and DJI's cautious approach to product development make it unlikely that a significantly upgraded mini drone will arrive anytime soon. That said, the drone industry continues to evolve. Advances in technology could pave the way for even more remarkable products in the future. For now, DJI seems focused on steady progress and maintaining its position as a leader in the market. As consumers, we can look forward to a future filled with exciting innovations in aerial photography and videography.